Morning, y'all. This is my 1954 Ford Naa. It's about 32, 33 degrees outside. Got down pretty cold last night. Had a little bit of frost on the ground. Not too cold compared to some places, but we're going to try to see how she cold starts. I haven't started it in this cold weather before. If y'all want to, y'all can go ahead and check the oil. You don't know where it is. I got you. First, we got to check the hydraulic oil. I'll be right back here. It's good. Check this one. Oh, it's good too. All right. Give her some throttle and give her some choke. Let's see how much throttle. Should be enough, probably too much. Key turned on. Out of gear. Give her some choke. That's right. Sure is good running shade. We'll be getting ready for the Christmas parade day. Y'all have a good one.